Most of us fail in life because we're afraid of what everyone around you is thinking. That's 100% truth.
People, one thing you have to learn early in life, I didn't learn this till later on. I don't give a motherfucker. You can't care what anybody thinks about you. If I care what people thought about me, you think I'd be yelling out here, doing a 105-pound ruck, talking shit? This is who I am. Find out who you are and own that motherfucker and tell people to go f themselves.
I had to stop caring what people thought about me. I realized that everybody's up. That's the one thing I realized. I walked around and I put these people on a fucking pedestal. Everybody was better than me. So I can't tell you anything about me because you're gonna judge me and I'm gonna feel even worse than what I am. What I realized, once I calmed my mind down and sat back and looked at how jacked up this world is, once you realize that you are not alone, everybody that's talking to you about how jacked up you are, only thing they've done better than you is they've hidden their f***ed up world better than you have. That's all they've done. We live by the narrative of other people. When I first called a recruiter to be a Navy SEAL and I was 297 pounds, the first recruiter looked at me and said, "You're not gonna be able to make this, man." So what he was doing was he's projecting his energy on me. He knew he couldn't be a fucking Navy SEAL. So God helped this black guy, because I was only the 36th African American to make it through in over 70 years. How's this black fat guy gonna make it through in my ass? He wouldn't even want to try. So he's projecting this. So a lot of us who are negative people, all we do is project how we feel on other people. A lot of times I'll be in a 200-mile run or something like that, and I'm all jacked up. Body's broken, mind's broken, spirit's broken. I started to say, what if I can pull this off? When I first walked into the Navy SEAL recruiter's office, he looked at me and said, there's only been 35 African Americans in 70 years make it through. You know what I said to myself? What if I can be the 36th? It's the what if I can pull off a fucking miracle. What if I can become someone that no one thinks I can be? And just me talking about that, I have the hair going up on my arms because it makes me just like, what if? So what happens is that there's a lot of negative people walking around the planet Earth who are afraid to try, because a lot of people are very negative in this world. So we are afraid to fail. Why? I told you, man, you shouldn't even try it, dude. Just chill out, relax. Why are you so crazy? Why are you so obsessed? So all that stuff drives the quitting mind, I call it. The mind wants to quit. The mind's tired. The mind thinks it's very deserving. So the biggest problem in this world is other people, not yourself. It's other people in your head. They are puppet mastering you pretty much on your life. My next door neighbor 2 months ago, she just killed herself. Tons of veterans I know, they killed themselves. I got an email 2 weeks ago from a family member that an 11-year-old boy killed himself from people at school bullying him. One thing about life is that people in life, they are the ultimate puppet masters. They exploit your weakness and they love to walk you around life and own space in your head. One of the biggest ways to cut those strings and walk on your own two fucking feet to your own destination in life is to build self-respect, self-esteem, self-discipline, all those things. Stay hard is not just about going to the fucking gym. Stay hard is about going that extra step and you can't. That's what builds self-esteem and self-respect. Stay hard. Because I realized once I was talking to myself the right way,
Peace, fam. Y'all get it yet, fam? That's the one thing that I've been cultivating on, man. You know what I mean? Spiritual growth, bro. Understanding that other people's projections, bro, can shape your reality if you're not in control of yourself. This is why I always tell you guys, bro, place your value on yourself before others get the chance or the opportunities to try to do those things. Man and woman must first place the value on themselves to understand the value of others, bro. You feel me? Like the brother said, bro, you gotta go hard every single time, bro. Every single time, bro. Don't allow other people's projections to dictate your course and your destiny. You own that, bro. However you want this to go, you write it out, bro. You feel me? Me personally, I don't believe anything is preordained, predestined, bro. I believe we run into situations and circumstances, but we're built to overcome those things, bro. You feel me? So we gotta understand that other individuals' projections, if not for their best interest at your heart, you feel me, is the ones that you do away with, bro. You feel me? Because only positivity breeds positivity, bro. You feel me? 9 broke people, you hanging around 9 broke people only make you the 10th sooner or later, bro. It's not how, it's when, bro. So you don't want to start these things and have to stop these things because you made a mistake or didn't foresee something that you could have avoided. You feel me? That's what this is about, bro. You feel me? Gaining back your dignity, your pride, your salvation, bro. So many things have been taken from us, bro. We out here arguing and fighting and bickering about the wrong things, bro. You understand what I'm saying? So go the fuck hard, bro. At whatever it is you may do, long that it bears fruit, bro, and it's something beneficial for you and yours, bro. I know everybody's not gonna win, bro. I just wish the best for everybody. You know, I know everybody's not gonna go with, oh, I get it. It's not for everybody. You know what I mean? But that's the food for the day, man. That's the food for the thought today, man. Don't let other people's projections define who you are, bro. Stand on who you are, bro, and rock it to the full. I always say, you can look at my previous videos, man. Place value on yourself. Don't allow others to do that. That is not their right, bro. It is your right, man. You already know Truth Knows No Bounds TV, man. I just wanted to build with y'all, man. A short build, man. It's good to see y'all once again. Good to be amongst the people. It's always lovely to build with y'all, man. Peace, love, light, and honor to those who deserve it. You know what time it is, yeah. Easy.